Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today we will learn about maths. Our subject is maths. It's our second lesson. Today I will tell you about the addition. What is addition? To put things together, to combining, to joining something is called addition. Addition means to join something, to combine, to putting together something is called addition. Addition, okay. Students, here is a car. It is one car, okay, and other car is coming and joining in and making it two. How many cars? Two. And other car joining in and other car joining in, making them three. Another car joining in, making them four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another car joining in, making them 5. Making them 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is one ball and other ball joining in, making them 2. Another ball joining in, making them 3. And other ball joining in, making them 4. How many are there? How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, students. Here is one animal. Elephant. Elephant. Here is one animal. One more joining in, making them two animals. Making them two animals. And other come in and join in, making them three. And other joins in, making them 4. Another joins in, making them 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many animals are here? 5 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, students. Here we have one flower. One flower. One flower. And other joining in, 2 flowers. How many flowers are there? 2 flowers. How many flowers? 2 flowers. Another comes and joining in, 3 flowers. 3 flowers. And other joining in, 4 flowers. And other joining in, 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, it is called addition. To mix, to blending, to joining, to combining something is called addition. It is called addition. Students, now we have 2 candies. We have 2 candies. 2 candies. Another joins in, making them 3. Making them 3. Another comes in, making them 4. Making them 4. Okay. 2 comes in, making them 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 2. 4 and 2 is equal to 6. 4 and 2, 6. 4 and 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 candies. We have 6 candies. Another candy joins them. There are 7 candies. We have 7 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, another joins in 8, making them 8, making them 8. Another comes in, joining in, making them 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and other comes in, joining in, making them 10. Making them 10. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many candies are there? 10 candies. How many candies are there? 10 candies. Students, now we have 5 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 candies. Okay, how we will make them 10 candies? By adding 5 candies in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we will add 5 candies more to making them 10 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 candies. We have 10 candies. Pencils. We have color pencils. There are 3 pencils. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more joining in, making them 4. Making them 4. 2 more joining in. 2 more joining in, making them 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 more adds in. 3 more joining ins. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's count how many pencils are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many pencils are there? 9 pencils. 9 pencils. Okay, we have to make them 10. How we will make them 10? We will add one more color pencils. One more color pencil, making them 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many color pencils are there? 10. How many pencils are there? 10. Adding something is called addition. We are going to add cloth pins. It is one cloth pin. One cloth pin. We will add one more in it, making them 2. And one more pin will join them, making them 3. One more will join in, making them 4. One more joining in, making them 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many clips we have? 5. Okay. 2 more joinings in. 2 more joining in, making them 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how many pins are there? How many clips are there? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We add 2 more and 5, making them 7. Making them 7. We have sea animals. We have sea animals. Sea animals. We add one more to making them 2. We add one more to making them 3. We add 2 more, making them 5. 3 and 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sea animals. We add 2 more in 3, making them 5. There are 5 animals, sea animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, my dear students, now we will solve Maths Workbook A, page number 14. In this page, we will solve the sums. We will add them. We add the pictures to concluding the answer. Now we have 5 pictures of fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 are odd. 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We have 3 red starfish and 4 yellow starfish. 3 red starfish and 4 yellow starfish. Okay, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, we have next in the next question. We have 5 seahorse and 1 more added in it, making them 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 5, 1, 2. Okay, we will count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 makes 8. 4 plus 4 makes 8. 1, 2, 3. 3 purple seahorse and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yellow seahorse. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 3 and 7 makes 10. 3 and 7 makes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green starfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red starfish. 5 and 5 makes 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. Another question. Draw some more bubbles to help work out the missing numbers. 4 plus 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bubbles. We have to draw 2 more, making them 6. We will draw 2 more bubbles to making them 6. 3 plus 4. 3 and 4 makes 7. 3 and 4 makes 7. 1, 2, 3. We have just 3 bubbles. We will draw 4 more to making them 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will draw 4 bubbles more to making them 7. 3 and 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next. 2 plus 3 makes 5. 2 and 3 makes 5. We have just 2 bubbles over here. And we have to make them 5 by adding 3 bubbles more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 bubbles. Okay. 4 plus 4 makes 8. 4 plus 4 makes 8. Okay. We have 4 bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how we will make them 8? By adding 4 bubbles more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 and 4 makes 8. 4 and 4 makes 8. Okay, beta. I will tell you about the keywords. We will use add, total, altogether, plus, sum, more, make, for addition, for adding, for combining. We will use add, total, altogether, plus, sum, more, make, for addition, for adding something, for joining, and for combining. I hope you understand. You have to solve page number 14, 15 and maths notebook page number 12, 13, 14, 15 by adding the digits. In this page you have to add the numbers given in the clouds, write answer, draw the raindrops according to it, and you have to write the answer over here and also draw the raindrops. Add and color the sums. You have to color the number 8, the answer, where the answer is 8, you have to color it red. Is a token, is a key to tell you about the answers. You have to color them accordingly. Hope you understand. Keep practicing your notebook and your book as well. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.